united. Hi, I'm Andy the Ant. As a small ant, you have to be careful at all times. Always watch out for your enemies. For example, the spider. Save your life and live to fight him another day. Andy escapes again. Wait till I catch him one day. I will kick him as hard as I kick this rock. The spider kicks the rock very hard. His leg hurts terribly as he learns the bitter lesson not to kick against hard objects like a rock. One beautiful morning, Andy and his 3 friends are on their way to look for food. Everything seems so nice. However, in the forest, Simon is watching the 4 little ants. He believes that he can fight and beat all of them. He jumps in front of the ants. "Hi, little ants. All of you are not going anywhere. I'm going to beat you up and eat you." As soon as the ants see Simon, they are frightened. They run for their lives as fast as they can. But Simon is too fast for them. He catches 3 ants and throws them into his spider web. They cannot escape. Andy has to face the mighty spider alone. "You are no match for me." He gives Andy a hard punch, and poor Andy falls down the cliff. He faints. When he wakes up, the Queen asks what had happened. Andy tells her about Simon and how the terrible spider caught his friends.
Let's call all our soldiers. If we do not get rid of this spider, it will capture and destroy us. We have to be united to fight this strong enemy. Let us plan how to defeat him.
The next day, Simon is on his way looking for food. Andy appears before Simon and says, "Hi, Simon. I'm here to seek revenge for my 3 friends whom you have killed." "Oh, you tiny little ant. I will beat you up and then eat you for my supper. Today, you will know the power of the united ants. Look at the horizon and hear the sound of our trumpets and the might of the tiny ants." When Simon hears this, he begins to sweat and feel frightened. He sees thousands of ants on all the 4 sides of the valley marching towards him.
You are now surrounded, and there is no escape for you. Fellow ants, attack the spider. Do not let him escape.
At once, all the ants rush to attack Simon. Some of them pull his legs, while some hold his hands tightly. Some punch him on the face and body. Soon, Simon is captured. The ants are very glad that they have beaten the enemy. Now they are safe again, because they united to fight against their enemy. This story teaches us that unity is strength.